Man.
Hello, everybody. Hello. Hello.
Hi.
Why does it my avatar doesn't pick it up if I like talk really high pitched? Hates me.
I don't know, man. Might be getting cut off. Also, did you check your audio since last stream, or
Nope.
is this
It's the same.
Hmm.
As I
many
forgot.
such cases?
Many such cases. I always forget.
Hmm. And
What?
you're invited to stream together.
Thanks, twin.
Whoa. Yeah, no problem.
Twin.
Whoa.
Twin. Anyways, oh, announcement. Oh wait, no, I already sent out the announcement, so I guess I don't need to send an announcement to say I'm going live.
Oh yeah, I'll stopping people in my server, I guess. Fuck it. I don't do these notifications often. Not stream announcements. Not fine. Prepping the October, November. Working on the October 999 tube. I don't have experience typing it today, or at least on this computer.
Okay, so I guess I will. Is that Gwiz?
Where's Quiz at?
He's in your chat.
I'm
quizzing it. I'm quizzing it.
Hello, Quiz.
I'm quizzing it. Sorry.
Yeah, give me a second. Sorry, I'm looking.
Can
Also,
you
ignore that thing?
turn on share chat?
Yeah. Can you?
'Cause
Like,
I
give me,
still
like,
don't know
2
how
seconds
to.
to do the other things to do.
No, I don't have. No.
Brother.
No.
Why do I have to do all of the setup and everything?
Because I don't know how to do any of it.
Oh.
You're the
my lord,
programmer. You do the
that's-
technical stuff. Okay.
Also, share your screen.
Oh yeah, I
You
forgot.
couldn't even share your screen the entire time.
I
was doing
forgot.
that.
No,
Hello,
I
Quiz.
forgot. It's okay. It's okay. I forgot.
Let me. All right, I'm gonna push up these changes to you
Mhm.
so that you
okay.
can get
Okay, twin.
the new changes that I made.
For sure, twin. Thanks, twin.
All of these should be good.
Okay, I'm sharing my screen now. You can see my screen. Did I do anything else besides make that song since I talked to you last? I'm trying to think. I didn't really do
don't
anything
think
this
so.
morning. I mean, I drew the frame thing, but that was about it.
Oh yeah, I turned on sign distance field stuff, which is
For the fonts or whatever, that
no
No.
for the tile
I don't
set.
know what that means, but okay, sure.
It's the thing that I was telling you about where it's whenever it's inside of the collision, it's a negative number. When it's outside, it's a positive number, and it denotes how far away it is from the thing.
Oh, you have to like enable that. That's not like on by default. Okay,
Yeah,
I see.
yeah, because it's slightly expensive. Also, that is JW.
Hello.
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 Are these? Okay, yeah, these actually do need to be
Meow 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 meow.
committed. All of this needs to be
Meow
committed.
meow 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 meow.
Okay, buddy.
Meow, meow,
All right, man.
meow,
Okay.
meow, 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 meow. Meow, 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 meow.
Oh Lord,
Meow,
it's gonna be a
meow,
long
meow,
stream,
meow,
guys.
meow. Meow, 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 meow.
Buddy, please stop.
Sorry, sorry.
Please.
I can't.
I'm trying to focus on like what I
I'm
can commit.
sorry.
You're just fucking going crazy on the meowing.
There's a.
It's gonna be a long ass stream.
It's. I can't help but meow along to jazz. You know. My bad, gang.
What was changed in here? Oh yeah, I added a setter.
Well, what am I doing? I can like do that instead of just sitting here.
I don't know. Are you doing art? Are you doing?
I'm probably just gonna
programming?
do
Are
more
you-
relic and sticker art, because we need those.
Okay.
Since that's what you've been working. Did you make any relics that I haven't made art for yet?
Yes.
Or stickers?
You haven't made art for. The attack speed sticker doesn't have art
Okay.
unless you already made something for that.
I don't know what that would be.
Okay. As in, like, you don't know what the art would
I
be?
don't know what the art is. Like, I don't know what the sticker will be called.
I see.
We'll also have to think how we want to display like the stickers. Do we want to have like a name, or do we just want to say what it does? I mean, I think we want like
Depends.
a name probably.
If we want it to be like fun and thematic, that's always the thing that we can do. That's not like terrible.
Yeah.
A lot of games do that. And then also have a description on whenever you hover or whenever you see it or whatever.
Yeah. It's like the
I'm
same
also
as
gonna
the
kill
cards
this
or
code.
relics.
This code needs to be killed. So you don't matter.
Will this
Will
game be available on the
Samsung
Samsung
Galaxy
Galaxy Watch
Okay.
3?
No, you got it, man. Take over.
Yeah. No. Will it?
Why are you asking me, will it? You read the question. Just answer this.
Well, I don't know. You're the
This
programmer.
motherfucker reads questions and is like, I don't know.
Well, I don't know. Will it?
Yeah, it'll be available on the Samsung Galaxy Watch 3. It'll be
Okay.
Steam Deck compatible as well.
Cool. See, that's what I was asking. You're the one that knows these things.
Yeah, that was the question in chat.
No, but like I don't know. You're the one that knows. You are the knower.
Relic name. Relic should have a description as well.
Yeah.
Oh, I would also like to potentially have some sort of formatable description, so it can
Formatable
pull from
description.
different. Yeah, Dita J. Doma, you're gonna drive me crazy today. Actually, you're actually gonna drive me insane.
Am I?
Yeah, I said I'm gonna make some formatable description, and I was about to say exactly what it is, and you just go formatable description, and interrupt me in the middle of explaining to you what I meant.
I'm sorry.
You're actually gonna drive me crazy today. Today might be an actual -45. We'll find out. Yeah, so like you could have a description that is just like it has like templating parts in it, and it'll pull from different values from the card, so that we don't have to, if we want to make a card increase your charges by 25%, and then we come back later and decide that it's 50%, we don't have to change the description to have the new 50 instead of 25. It would just pull it from the field.
I see. It's an interesting idea. I don't know if how long it would take to implement that be worth it. I don't know how long that would take.
Well,
Okay.
Godot has string
If
formatting,
you
so it
can
shouldn't be
do
that
it.
bad.
Sure.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Oh, this was
I'm really good at not talking until it's like the worst possible time for me to talk.
Mhm.
It's a very good skill.
It
of mine.
happens.
Many such cases.
Many such cases.
Maybe I should just like talk slower.
What is bubble shader? Oh, this was the shader that I was working on.
Okay, so full auto or attack speed increase.
No full auto in the building.
I thought
Yeah, the attack
we
speed
wanna-
increase.
to have
No, yeah.
auto swing as well.
Probably. I don't know if there's things that we don't want auto swing on, or I don't know if it's going to be enabled on everything. So I kind of
mean-
feel like it's something that should just be enabled by default.
No, I disagree.
Why not?
Because I don't like it. That's why.
Okay, I might need a little bit of.
Because
I
like
might
it
need
doesn't
a
make
little bit more.
logical sense. Like, so you have a gun that's very obviously not fully auto, and then you can just hold it down.
Okay.
Like a revolver, like a off or something like
So-
that.
But you want the sticker that increases the attack speed to enable full auto.
Yeah.
But that doesn't make sense because it's still the same gun. It just fires a little bit faster.
It doesn't have to be logical.
Well, you just- see, so the reason my thoughts are that it's something that would not inherently, like, if something doesn't have auto swing, it doesn't inherently make it like, it's not like a different weapon. It just makes it a little bit more frustrating to use. Whereas if a sticker enables that, then like, I think that if we have a sticker that enables auto swing, then it should always, like, things should just auto swing. I don't think a sticker should enable or disable that.
I don't know.
Because there's no tangible, like, there's no balance reason. Because stickers are like a balancing thing, and adding auto swing is a bonus. But there's no tangible reason that if we can add auto swing onto something that it shouldn't just be there in the first place.
I don't know. Because it does add that like extra difficulty. Like making everything have auto swing just gives everything like a pass. Like it is objectively better to have it have auto swing. Like it does make it better. So the sticker is making it better.
From a usability standpoint, not from a balance standpoint.
I mean, that would count as balance because it takes more skill to use something that's not auto swing.
I don't think so, because it's just clicking a button at the right time, which if we were to increase the attack speed, you would still be clicking the button at the same time unless we turned on auto swing. It feels like it's just kind of an input for the sake of being an input.
I don't know what it really it's also like some things I just like. I enjoy the feeling of clicking and not holding.
Well, then I think that shouldn't enable auto swing.
So, okay.
I think the sticker should not change anything about auto swing. It should either always be on, or it should be on a case-by-case basis, and I don't think the sticker should change it.
I don't know.
Because
like what I was thinking
and usability.
It could make for like some fun things like, oh, so you have a sniper that's really slow, and then you get a bunch of those, and then you have like a full auto sniper that just like kills things instantly. And that's like fun. But that doesn't mean that a sniper should always have auto left click.
Well, because it would still fire. It would still fire at the same rate rather than just click, click, click. You can just hold down the thing.
I don't know how to explain this.
Yeah, well, I understand what you're saying. I understand that you're saying that for a big shot, it just feels better to have to click it. But if there's ever a point that we change the auto swing status, then I think that it should just always be on, because otherwise,
I don't understand that logic at all.
So you're restricting usability unless they get a sticker that is a specific thing, at which point the UX, the feel, and everything has changed, and the usability is no longer the same. It doesn't add... I don't think having to click to shoot a sniper, like having to physically press click, adds meaningful skill. The only skill that it adds is adding an extra button. Like, let me explain it this way. So imagine imagine in Dante's 9, if every time you wanted to jump, you had to press middle click first. Or every time you landed, you pressed middle click. And if you didn't press middle click, then you couldn't jump for however much time. Unless you got like a speed power up. And then at which point you could just press space to jump without middle click.
I think the difference is with something like a sniper or something like that. It's like, logically, that's how you expect it to work by default. Like if you pick up a gun that's like a sniper in a video game, you expect, okay, I have to click every single time to use this. I can't just hold it down. But then, what games have you been playing?
Team Fortress 2. I'm fairly certain Apex Legends as well.
Brother.
I'm like fairly certain Apex Legends. I'm gonna launch Apex Legends and we're gonna find out.
Are you saying that the snipers are auto in Apex?
I believe so. I believe if you were to hold left click, it would.
You're what? In what world are you living in? I'm genuinely so confused.
I don't know, man. I'm gonna I'm gonna push back on this. I think the sticker should not enable auto swing. That's where I'm standing on it.
Okay.
I think the sticker should not enable auto swing because it isn't a meaningful skill expression to be able to make something not swing or auto swing. It can be a feel thing for sure.
Is there anybody in chat that can like help? Because I can't figure out either way. But like, I don't know. Because okay, so here's my thought process of why it would be good. Is that by default, you expect a sniper to be like single shot. That makes sense. You have to click every single time. We're just gonna assume that, even if you disagree. So the person playing is like, okay, this is an understood how this works. And then the sticker comes in and then changes it, like augments your expectation to do something more interesting, like a full auto sniper that does a ridiculous amount of damage.
Okay, so let me ask you a question then.
Mm-hmm.
I'm gonna hold down left click with this in my hand, and you tell me how this makes sense. Pistols don't do that. That's not a pistol.
I mean, we could even change that too, to be single.
I don't think we should. I think
And
that,
also, I mean, some pistols could be auto. It's like a thing.
yeah, an automatic pistol, but not a semi-auto pistol.
I mean, if you play Gungeon, there's the pistol is auto, and then if you pick up like a rifle, there's lots of rifles that are not auto. So it's not like in like Gungeon, it's the same, where it doesn't really follow a specific pattern like that. It's kind of just based on gameplay. Because at that point, that's kind of like a... It's more like a quality of life. So that way you don't have to click really
Sorry,
fast.
which part is quality of life?
The pistol shooting being auto.
Mm-hmm. It's a quality of life thing.
I'm thinking.
So why would we restrict a quality of life thing like that behind a sticker? If it's a quality of life thing, it shouldn't be.
I mean, for something like the pistol that shoots really fast like that.
Okay, counterpoint. Yeah, 36.
Made an
also...
ultra super crazy bananas video making fun of your stupid game.
Oh no.
Oh no.
Yeah, I'm gonna keep working on my one thing. Also, I just pushed up a bunch of changes.
Okay.
If you want to pull those down.
I don't know.
Apex is currently loading shaders, so we're fucking closing that. That's not happening today.
I can guarantee you that Apex snipers are not full auto. That is one thing that I know, unless you're hacking, which is an option, but don't do that.
Oh my god, dude. God forbid a man try to launch a game in the year of current.
Yeah.
These motherfuckers be like...
I mean, yeah, that is your fault for opening Apex.
Wiz.
Did he actually make a video?
Making fun of it? I don't know, let's find out. Is it a short? Oh no.
Oh
Holy
dear.
shit.
Hold up. I need to wait. I need to pause my music and.
Okay. Let's give this a watch.
Yo, it's me, the super cool, famous Godot YouTuber. I'm gonna be highlighting another super cool, famous Godot YouTuber, Bitlytic.
Whoa.
What a fucking nerd. Anyways,
True.
he's making a game right now. He's actually live streaming it as I'm making this.
This is true.
You can wishlist it, and you should do that. Yo, it's me, the
Dude, you're like a really cool version of J Schlatt, to be honest with you.
That is like true J Schlatt if you used Godot. I don't know if I would say really cool, but you know.
Oh my god, you could be called G Schlatt for like Godot Schlatt. Oh my
like
god,
that.
wait, Wiz, rebrand. You got it, man. I think that's the move. Or sorry, G Wiz.
Biddy would
Oh no.
Do I have to push these up for this to work?
What?
It says extra exhaust sticker.tres and first floor MVP.md.
What did you change on the first floor MVP?
I don't know.
So click on the file.
Wait, where? Oh, here. I like changed some names and then I accidentally merged some things weirdly, so there's duplicates, so I killed those. Oh wait, that's your music. I was like, why does this music not sound like my nice jazz music? There we go.
Yeah, so uncheck all of your files.
Oh wait, do I?
Like yeah, there you go. For learns usability. Okay,
Oh.
and then check on the one that was changed. The first floor MVP.
Oh, okay. And then there was also
the other one you don't want to commit up likely. It was the extra charge sticker T-Res. If you want to take a look at that and see what you added or changed. God forbid you ask an artist to read.
What was it? Extra exhaust sticker?
Yeah.
Didn't
yeah, that's probably fine. Just go ahead and just check that and then just commit up.
We'll call this like meow. I don't know.
Okay. And then there'll likely be a merge conflict. Oh no, okay, just kidding. Oh, I lied.
Hello?
Are you opening it in Visual Studio Code? Or?
I'm attempting to. I'm clicking on it. Nice.
Oh, GitHub desktop users are seething at the
If I
prospect
click on
of
it
using the
like
program.
multiple times.
Yeah, I think if you spam click it, it'll work eventually.
That's what I tried doing. It didn't work.
Okay, what am I doing today? Sorry, let me actually like get... Oh, where's my fucking obsidian? Now that we're done arguing about this for now. I actually don't know how I would...
I honestly might need to make a
this.
poll like in a server or something about this, because it honestly does matter more to the people that are playing the game than what we think.
I'm also thinking of like... I'm pulling from games that do and don't have auto swing, like Terraria. There are just
what do?
certain...
What games do?
Yeah, so like
that I'm thinking. I like
the thing that I was about to say. Terraria
Go ahead.
does have certain swords that are swing and not auto swing. And it's a little arbitrary, and so they just kind of they added an option that is just make all swords auto swing, and it's on by default. And it's like I think they're actually going through and maybe adding auto swing to all of the swords by like just completely now.
Yeah.
No matter how slow the sword is to use. And so I'm just kind of like, that doesn't really change very much for the game feel. Like it would still fire at the same rate if it was an auto fire, but like,
yeah,
the only difference is
I just don't know what it is, especially with like guns. It just feels very gamey as well. Like I know it's a game and like it doesn't really matter that much, but there's something about it that I don't know exactly what it is. I just really, really don't like, especially for like big, heavy gun, like something like the pistol where it's like really fast. That makes sense. It's not really like a logical. It's more just like a feel kind of thing. Like it feels really weird to by default be able to just hold down and shoot like a really big sniper or something like that auto.
I don't think it would. I don't know. I whenever I think about it,
personally, to me,
like,
I just don't like it. If I'm playing a game and there's like a big gun or something like that and it's auto, then I can just hold it down. I don't like it. There's no specific reason for it. It's just I don't.
If the gun's auto and you can hold down left click, you could also just not.
Yes, that's true.
And then like you can click every time you want to use it. I'm
just stating my opinion.
But you're like, I don't like it when the game has this, and it's like, you can just, like, not do it. I don't really get why you don't like it, I'll be honest. Like, whenever a game has it, it's just like, just don't use it then.
I don't know.
Well, it's like an opt-out of system. Or it's like an opt-into system. You don't have to do it.
I mean, it's like, what if all guns in Counter-Strike were auto? Like, that would be really, really weird and would not make sense.
Let's try Counter-Strike. How large of an update is this?
Probably not that big. The updates usually are not very big.
It's like a gigabyte, I'm sure.
What are you testing?
I'm gonna see if I can hold left click and shoot an op without
it's gonna be
firing it for that.
Let me try closing this and reopening it. I don't know. Hopefully I didn't break anything. There we go.
So
open in Visual Studio Code. Let's go. It did it.
Oh wait, this is a sticker. Oh, this is a relic. This is a sticker. I see.
Yeah.
Oh, I see. Things were merged and they
yeah, I accidentally made a duplicate, I think, or something. Yeah. I don't know. What do I do with the Can I what's this? Oh, this is the same thing where I made, so I just want current change. Sure.
Well, that gets rid of all of the changes that I just pushed up completely.
Well, you just had to check
like
marks,
all of
right?
Yeah, it was just a check.
Yeah.
And I guess you could go through and like take a look at these or
yeah.
honestly don't know how 100% how this would be used or how this would apply.
How do you think guns should behave?
I don't know.
Do you think, like, if you have a sniper, should you be able to hold down and keep shooting it? It's not there. It's over. He didn't respond in 5 seconds.
Percentage charge, percentage damage. Aren't these already in the game? Why are these? Oh, I guess they're just not checked.
Yeah, and also I need to make art for them and decide like what kind of theme we want to have. Because I want to have all the stickers look nice. It'll be much more fun once there's like styled stickers that aren't just like little crystal things. Money instead of mana.
It's not like terrible, honestly.
It's actually that's actually kind of an interesting idea. And then like enemies that it kills drop extra gold or money or whatever it is.
Yeah.
So let's see what did you change. Let's see if this works. Hello, average Godot enjoyer. Happy Tuesday.
How the fuck does this game work? Can I just join? I guess I could just join I'm gonna mute the games.
You can just join like a deathmatch game.
Yeah, so we don't get like slurs and stuff on stream, because apparently people do that a lot in Counter-Strike. Still.
Yeah. Usually I just meow at them and then they meow back. I'd say like 70% of the time they meow back and don't call me slurs. Which I'd say is pretty good.
It's way more than it should be. Like,
it
shouldn't be at all. Oh, I guess you can. Weird.
Can what?
I don't know what that's gonna do. I don't know what that's gonna do.
What are you doing?
You've got the menu pulled up whenever you're not at the thing.
Oh, I thought you were talking about Counter-Strike. Oh, nice.
Yeah.
What broke?
Okay, no, Counter-Strike does have the thing where it has to go one at a time.
Yeah.
However, let me see. Oh my god, I actually have to kill me, please. Thank you.
What are you checking?
I'm curious if the... Oh, I don't even have fucking auto sniper in my thing.
Wait, do I have to do it here, or do I have to click on it first and then click on a pack? Oh, this works.
I do it once you open the thing up, and then you can
click
on it there. And you can keep doing it while you're on that screen.
Oh,
you don't have to reopen the pack to... Yeah. You just have to wait for the card, for the sticker to hit the card.
Okay. How does this look?
Okay.
Oh, that looks kind of cool. Oh wait, that's weird. It like still rotates when you're placing it.
Yeah, it's because it's not designed to be in that state.
No, I mean, actually, I almost like that better, where it always rotates. Maybe.
Sorry, what am I doing? Oh yeah, I wanted to add the mana card cost property. Next property. Oh shit, I need to change something actually. You need to have...
Let's see what this does. Oh. Oh, because I don't have enough mana. I was like, why did that just stop? How do I add more mana? Oh, infinite mana. Sure, we'll do that. Oh, that's fun. Let's see how this plays with this. Or one card of death. Oh, it doesn't have inaccuracies. It's just... Is that a thing that all base projectile weapons have now? Is accuracy? Did we add that?
I believe so. Yeah. Should maybe? I don't know actually. No clue. I don't remember if that's something on the projectile or something on the weapon, but I think it's.
I definitely
should
think a
run the weapon.
one-card build should be a viable option that you can do if you want. Like, I definitely think it should be difficult. Like, it should be hard to remove cards from your deck, so that way you can't just, like, reduce down to one really good card.
Yeah.
But it should be something you can do. Just makes all death.
I'm gonna be coded from a different class. CP.
Okay, let me see if I can add inaccuracy to install ability. Shot spread, look at that. I don't know what the values are in here. Let's update. Looks like it is. Give it 10.
That should be degrees that it can spread.
Okay.
So 10 degrees left and right of the shot you're
Maybe it
taking.
wasn't doing it in real time. No, I think that's just
Yeah, it
screen
doesn't
shake.
usually, unfortunately. Yeah.
If I add, you think it still does that?
No.
Okay. Okay, well, we will make it like 5, so it's not that bad.
I think this is what I want. Oh yeah. Okay. I will do.
So how did you end up implementing the what was I going to say?
Attack speed.
Yeah, that one.
Yeah, give me like 2 seconds.
Like
I'll tell
the
you
changing
once I-
values of cards with a, or I guess it wasn't a relic, so it's a sticker. So never mind, that's not hard to.
Yeah. Well, there
I
is.
was thinking
there was
the
some other
relic.
stuff that I did. I did do some stuff with it. It's a little
Okay,
weird.
cool.
Yeah, the relic hasn't been added yet. I'm still not 100% sure on that.
Okay, that's what I
Or
was.
no,
wondering,
yeah,
is
sorry.
if you
The
did end
side,
up
no,
doing
that was something we already had. Yeah, the sticker we already planned on that. Never mind. You remember that?
The what?
The sticker was, we already talked about how we were going to do it with the properties that could or couldn't be there. Or that could be there or doesn't have to be, I guess.
Yeah. Wait, what's extra life?
That was for whenever we were having it, so cards could
Oh
exhaust.
yeah, right. Whoever made that planet sticker is like a really good artist.
Yeah, but it's really like that really cool shader that happens that like really
That is
like,
true.
absolutely knocks it out of the fucking park, dude.
There we go, that feels a lot better. That needs more charges, hold up. Ooh. Oh, I didn't realize I could do that. Somehow the UI is like so janky, but it doesn't like break very often. It just does weird things sometimes.
Yeah.
But we still need some way to show the charges when you're like in the menu. And we also should probably show it there too.
Yeah, we definitely need like an ammo counter or something.
Yeah, I think it should be like along the side or even like a little number here, like a how many charges that.
I think we could probably get away with doing like a little number for the current moment.
I think for the current, it should only show like the equipped one in the bottom right, and then like if you're looking in your inventory, it'll show you like, because that's really not something you need to know unless it's like equipped.
Yeah.
And even then, like you're not really gonna look at it. You're just gonna be like, oh, I still have this left, so I can keep shooting.
Do additive first. Let me do that. Yeah, sure. I will say
That works pretty well.
switch. I guess we have switches. Use a match statement.
I feel like that's still a little bit too accurate, but. Should make it that the longer you shoot it, the less accuracy.
Maybe.
Or what we should do is we should make it single shot, and then if you shoot it really fast, it has really low accuracy. But if you shoot it like slow, it has higher accuracy.
He's talking about the deagle from.
I mean, that's just true of like any gun from Counter-Strike. Or any pistol, basically. Which one's the better CT pistol in your opinion?
What do you mean?
There's the two pistols for CT. The starting.
Oh,
ones.
you're talking about the starting one,
ones, yeah.
like the basic one.
Yeah.
USPS, the one with the silencer. I hate the P2K.
I don't know. I like kind of like it. Maybe it's just because like Wilson used it a lot. He's really good at it. But he
like
kind of
P2K.
influenced me
it.
to switch.
Attack speed sticker. I actually don't
But
know.
I mean, the silenced is kind of satisfying too. We should add a couple of silenced guns just because they sound cool.
It should be like additive.
So what stickers do I draw? That's the question.
There we go. Additive adds 1 extra to the multiplier. Versus, if we were to go new sticker, type stat upgrade.
Relics.
Stat sticker.
So we have increasing attack speed, relic, and sticker. So I'm going to figure out for both. I don't know what this could be for either of them.
Mana. Upgrade. Or mana. Mana cost sticker? Sure. So I'm thinking this would be like 75% of the total mana cost would be added to this. This is such a weird but also kind of cool system that I really like. Why do we have two of the same file? One of them is called Crystal Sticker Sprite Sheet, and the other one is called Crystal Stickers Test. Okay, I see.
Increased attack speed. What could I mean? I was thinking like energy drink. But that's a card. I mean, I guess it could be a sticker.
Be a sticker instead of
Or
a
a
card.
relic, or both. I don't know. Oh, we could make the sticker be like an energy drink, and then the relic could be like a 6-pack of energy drinks.
Oh, that's not going to do anything. I don't know why I grabbed that as if that was going to do anything at all.
I don't know.
Card instance. So it's going to afford. Where is good mana cost? And mana cost. I see.
Me when I hit my mic stand.
Yeah.
Many such cases. Okay. Well, we'll start with the energy drink and see how that goes. So, obviously, the first thing we can do is just steal our energy drink from our card and then make it smaller.
Is this ever being modified? This isn't. But I think I could probably. So this is being used here. Shit, now I'm thinking about this. I'll come back to this later, and I think I will just go forward with the simple solution. Mana cost property. that should work, potentially. So if I add the Meow 36, and then add a mana cost card to it, this should go down. It didn't, apparently. Did it? Wait, it might have. Wait, what is... Oh no. What's the numbers mean on a card, JW? Is this mana cost?
Yes. Yeah.
It's like kind of fucked up. I don't remember that.
The
well, I
lion
think
does
that
not
maybe
concern himself with short-term memory loss.
No, that may actually say something about the cards and their design a little bit.
Oh, what else would
Is
it
the
be?
fact that I don't know, but the fact that I saw those two numbers and I couldn't immediately tell what they are, despite the fact that I've been working on
Well, the
game
top
maybe.
number we're getting rid of.
Oh, okay.
Because that's the damage, and you don't need to know what that is. By directly looking at it there. Like, even the mana cost isn't really necessary to show on the card, but of all things, I think that's, like, makes the most sense. And then we also get the idea of possibly showing the damage in the bottom right next to the little sword icon.
Yeah. Sorry, how is the damage being emitted? This is the damage. What? I need to be in this UI. So if I add a damage upgrade, why is this a damage upgrade? Why is the damage upgrade the planet?
Because I made it the planet, and then I forgot to change it back.
Okay.
Because
okay, so
I didn't have the
here.
size upgrade on my side when I made the planet, so I just, like, changed that one, you know?
I see. Changing the mana cost doesn't... it waits until the next one to update it, which is a little weird. But damage does it immediately? What the fuck? Huh? Okay, I need to go find out what card vision is doing. I get to dive back into this fucking class today. Maybe you do matter. Damage level. Update visuals. Update mana label. Mana label text. This instant mana cost. You are updated whenever update visuals is called, which is called on sticker added. Oh, okay. I know what's going on with you. I think it's because the update being called or added on a deferred thread or a deferred call. Okay, I'm gonna do this then. I'm gonna go back to the base property class and get rid of all of these call deferreds because they don't matter. They don't need to happen. Cool, that does work. Yay. Yippee. So now we have the mana cost sticker where it's 25 mana. It's goes down to 18 because it's 75% off the mana cost. And then if I were to add another one, it's 75% of the remaining mana cost, which would be, let's see, like, it'd be either 15 or 16, I think. 14. I can't do math, apparently.
Yeah, that seems about right, though, probably.
It's like around there, yeah. Something like that. And then that looks like that actually applies, which is cool. Yay! Okay. Mana cost is a thing now. Oh, that's 50%. Whatever, I'll let you change that whenever you need to. These are also relatively easy to change. So if the numbers ever get mangled, we can unmangle them.
Cool.
Or if they need to be mangled.
Yeah.
Okay. Piercing is a hole punch. Oh yeah, you were asking about a shader for this, right?
Mm-hmm. Is it a hole punch or like a hole in the card? So is what I was thinking, at least.
Let me think about this for a moment. I could definitely attempt. Let me try something. I'm gonna go into the card visual then and see what this looks like. Because I actually don't 100% know what that would be like.
If in texture area, see-through.
Okay, buddy. Alright, buddy.
I don't know.
That's enough out of you, mister. That's not how that works. I can't just do
That's
that.
not how that works.
That's not how that works.
Okay.
Got it, bub?
Okay.
That's fine.
Oops.
Yeah, it's just a little bit of like see-through sticker, perhaps. I don't know if that's going to be doable because, or well, it's definitely going to be doable. I just don't 100% know how easy or hard that will be. Because if I were to set this to 1, this would make the entire thing there. And if I were to set it to 0, it would just make the sticker itself invisible, which is not... I wonder if I could... What if I were to add a back buffer copy node here? Would that just like fuck up my entire plan? What the fuck? That looks weird. I don't like that. That did some weird shit. Made me feel evil.
You are evil, but yeah.
What the hell? I'm not evil. Oh god. An inverted cutout mask array. Used one on a circle sprite for iris in or out transitions. Yeah, so there's like things that I could do. I'm just trying to think of how to make it play nicely with everything. Like, if there's a way that I could make this exist alongside the other stickers, that would be terrific. But I might just need to have like a specific spot for the masking one.
They call me the masking one.
Whoa. What the hell?
They
I
don't
can't back
actually,
off
by
to
the
copy
way.
that. They do. They call him that often.
Not true.
I
No,
can't-
no.
Yeah, I think I would actually need to make this like way the fuck up in the chain somewhere. Like I could just put like a sprite 2D here and just completely fuck up the rest of the tree. Which would be kind of cool. Where I have like a what's the thing called that I just had negative sticker? Thank you. Bastard, you need to be moved. I can just move it like this, whatever. And then this could be set to flip children only. Oh, cool. That's ever what I expected that to look like. So that's not going to work the way I want it to, which is fine-ish. Because I can also add, there's like so many different ways that this could be done, to be honest. And I'm just trying to figure out what the best one is.
Yeah.
I could also add some sort of, I don't know about parameter in here, but there could be some sort of clipping done via this. What would that look like? How would I get that information from a sticker visual?
Uh-oh, forgive me, I am anti-aliasing my pixel art.
No, dude, he talks about mixels all the time and he's anti-aliasing his pixel art.
No, that's like a perfectly legal strategy.
No. Nuh-uh. Nuh-uh. Nope.
Yep, it's allowed. Just gotta do it right, you know?
Oh, I could totally do that, but I don't know if I want to. I could have a uniform sampler 2D, which is called mask, which is
viewers.
Yeah, we can have this mask here, which would be cool and great and everything. And then we can float mask sample is equal to texture of screen, not called mask. Oh, you are. You need to be that. Correct. And the R value. Sure. Because like I could do this, which is totally fine. The only problem is how do I pass the information for what is currently masked around? And I think I could do that. It just would need like some very specific instruction for that kind of sticker, which is fine.
So cursed. amount of well, it's
So
more
what
like a
is the area
rabbit
of the
than a
subject
cat,
art?
but like it's kind of cool. Not that it looks like a rabbit, but the fact that I managed to like actually make something that looks decent out of like 20 pixels.
Yeah. Because I could do this, right? I could set this to a radial gradient just for testing purposes. And then set the interpolation to constant, wherever the hell that is. And then we would have a hole cut out of this, which is totally valid. So now I think all of the cards will have a hole in their center. Oh, I lied. I'm a liar. Lying piece of shit. I'm a bastard. Why do you not have a hole? Where's the what happened to the cutout? What are we doing here? Who are you? Oh, good tile. Fuck. I have rewritten this part of the code so fucking much. I actually have no idea where like any of this is. Oh no, I was right. It is here. What's going on with you, dog? Where's your mask is empty. Oh, it's you. You're the problem. Yep, there it is. Found it. Set this to 2D. 200 by 400 or something like that. Whatever the hell it was. Whatever the hell it was.
Whatever the hell you. What the hell you.
What the hell?
What the hell yante? I'm sorry.
Are you updating in real time? You aren't. I need to restart the game. I think this works, potentially. It does have a hole cut out of it.
Whoa.
Man. So the way that this could be done is the mask could be a white texture by default, and then... Oh, Lord. And then I could go through and edit the pixels of what should or shouldn't be masked out. Okay, JW, the answer is yes. It can be done. However, the answer is I'm not going to do it currently.
Okay, that's fine.
Because the...
We don't even have to.
Oh, shit. Wait, no. There's something else wrong with this. Fuck. I didn't even think about that. The rotation. No, never mind. I need to rethink this. The rotation.
Oh. Ooh. Interesting. Yeah.
There are... Oh, there's ways that I could get around it. I'm gonna walk away for a minute and think about this.
Okay.
This is... I got matrices. You're going on stream. I will go. Oh,
that's okay.
Hole in the card's why? Because he wanted to have a sticker that put a hole in the card for piercing. And I'm trying to see if I can make that happen. So I will be right back really, really quickly.
I am drawing a sticker that is an energy drink. I had to do some weird stuff to get it to look okay, but you know, I'm kind of happy with it. Got a little cat on it. Got some unreadable text, but it says zoomies. It gives the cat zoomies. So maybe this should be darker there. Does that make more sense? Maybe this outer part should be... Yeah, I think this... This should be dark on the inside. And then... brighter Maybe. Let me look. What does a can look like? So it kind of like sticks up, kind of. Let's see, interesting. This part actually is almost above.
Okay, I'm back. And I'm glad that I walked away. Because I think I have the answer.
Whoa.
Because the card, when it rotates, it has to sample the texture from underneath it. How's it doing that? Well, it has a custom UV coordinate. I can just use that instead, I think. Oh, I lied.
Tough. Oh.
Really? Oh. Weird. You don't just work? Oh, you're like offset by a lot. Holy shit. And when you get rotated, idiot. Oh shit, you're weird. Oh yeah, I might need to sample this like way the fuck up here or something. No. Let's just sample this at random points in the code. What's up?
Just drawing, you know. You know how it is. You just like say things and draw.
Yeah, no, I know how that is. I like I be
lot.
drawing all the time. Like literally all the time. Okay, so that's not going to work the way I want it to, which is maybe fine. Okay, we're trying random things now.
Fire.
Oh shit, that doesn't work. Fuck it. Do it again. Do something random. No? Okay. What about... This looks about right. Nope, I lied. Yeah? Oh. That looks right, but I don't understand why it is. Well, actually, no, that's a lie.
Yeah, it's something a little weird about it.
Yeah, the thing that's weird about it is on the back, it's scaled wrong because of some shit that I did that I had to do.
Let's see.
Let's see. So what can I do here? I can. I could just sample this before I do this conversion. I think that would work, right? Yeah. So that's the same. Oh shit! That just works.
Oh, that's
Oh shit. Yeah.
oh. That's
Wild.
pretty cool.
Okay. So what I would need to do, oh lord. I'm a little bit more upset that this works than I am that
I mean, if
like
it's
I'm
too much
upset
work,
that it works.
You don't have to right now.
It's not is the problem. The
Okay.
problem is like it's not too much work. It's that it's entirely feasible that I can do this.
Tough.
Which is like so unfortunate. Because it's oh lord, man. Because basically it's going to have a texture that is the mask that we use, and we're going to have to write the data to this texture based on where the stickers are placed. Ooh, wait.
Okay.
That kind of gives me an idea for something, though. The way that enemies are what am I trying to say? Oh my lord. The way that we would hide the card behind enemies, if there were enemies below it, would probably use something similar. Although I'd probably use one
There we go.
overall texture.
I think I finally got the right looking pull tab. Bro, out here writing shaders and I'm trying to figure out how to draw a pull tab on an energy drink can. There we go.
Sorry, what is it? I know this is a question from what you're doing now. Why did you stop making videos on the channel? The last one was more than half a year ago. Motivation issues mainly. It's not that I don't want to make videos, or I guess it kind of is. It's not that I'm going to stop making videos. It's more that I kind of wait for motivation to hit me. I definitely want to make more videos. Just, I don't know. It's like it takes a certain mood for me to be in. Where I'm just like, okay, now I'm gonna do it. This time I'm really gonna do it.
Beat me to it. How is this looking? A soda can.
Oh my god, that's so much anti-aliasing. That's so ugly. Nah, it looks good.
Yeah, I was scared it would, but it's kind of cool.
Okay, so I know how to do that shader.
I'm going to take a break for a second though because my hand's really hurting.
It's like my hand is hurt.
Dog, I'm gonna. Sorry.
All right, buddy. Knock it off, Fido. Bouncing off walls. What does that entail? Is that like projectiles that you shoot that bounce off walls? Or does that mean like... Okay, it's a new question. Is that bullets from a gun? Or is that like thrown objects?
Bullet.
Or is it both?
It could be both. Yeah, it's both.
Okay.
I mean, I was thinking mainly for projectiles, but I guess you could give it like a secondary use. Because I think what it was going to be is for each sticker, it would give an additional bounce.
I see.
So I think mainly for projectiles, and then we could make it like for other stickers, do things like that. Ooh,
Okay.
One thing we will have to think about. Because an example that I just thought of here is what if you have a card that's like a turret that you place down, and that has the bouncing. I guess you could just get a reference to the card still and just do it. I don't know.
You could.
I guess that wouldn't be difficult, but
Because it would just, I mean, it's kind of the way that, like, the corn here works, is the pumpkin has a reference to the card when it's corn, it passes a reference to the card as well. So, like, it's kind of just, like, all the way down the chain of, like, where it came
I guess
from.
that wouldn't be too bad.
Yeah, so I think... Oh, if you want to check this out, this is actually like kind of sick. I don't know how I feel about it, but it's like kind of cool. So let's say I wanted to add like a bounce property. What I could do is I could go here and create a new script called bounce property.
Okay.
And I would just make that extend the base property class and give it the class name of bounce property. And then that's it. And I would just go into data and add a new sticker that is a stat upgrade sticker. Or actually, yeah, stat upgrade sticker is fine. I'll call this.
Oh, and also, by the way, I
sticker.
may end stream a little early because I have to open tomorrow morning at 6 a.m. So.
Okay.
And I would like
and then I can select bounce property.gd, and then I can say I want to add 1 to it, and then that's like the sticker part of it done. Minus like this doesn't have like bounce sticker and it doesn't have like a texture, but
that just makes it bounce.
Well, it doesn't make it bounce. That's like the sticker side of it.
That's lame.
It's not the full thing. So
I'm
like,
joking.
let's see. Oh my god, I hate that there are 2 of these the same texture in here. I don't know. One of them is called test, and one of them is called tile sheet or spray sheet.
Yeah, because I didn't think originally that I was going to use a spray sheet, and then I did. So I just imported them in to see how they would look in my art test scene, where I just dump random art.
I see. But yeah, so these are that's the sticker side of it done, and then if I wanted to use that inside of the projectile, kind of the same way that we were using size. Where's size property being used? Simple upgrade, size property, card instance, base projectile, this guy. So if I wanted to set the amount of bounces here, I could also say bar bounce is the same thing, but with bounce property. And then that would have a reference to how much, like what the bounce value is. So if I reload the game and then add a card, install, and a sticker pack. So it should say it's 1 right now.
Another thing I was thinking it should apply to is like hit scan weapons, which we'd have to figure out how to implement. But like, I mean,
and then you can see now it's 2.
We could just make like the beam bounce off. But that would be really sick.
Yeah.
So like the laser pointer, if you had like 3 bounce stickers on that, then it would like reflect off the walls. So crazy.
Yeah, I see what you're saying.
But I'm not sure how we would do that. I mean,
probably still be this.
I don't think it would be that hard. I just don't know how, because I don't know how that stuff works. I'm still not 100% sure how the hit scan weapons work. Okay, I think there's still something here is off. Better. Maybe darker. Chance. Better work on that good. Going in the engine. I have not really done much though like that with like the anti-aliasing to add like rounded sort of things. But I think it works. So I was trying to draw a little cat on the side of a can, and making something round at that size is pretty much impossible. Where are stickers? Stickers. So that was energy drink. I guess I didn't experiment with any other colors, but I guess orange is fine. Orange is a nice color.
Oh. Oh, I forgot to do this. Oh, look at that, dude. Easy. Easy mode.
Wait, really? That just works?
Yeah,
What the heck? How did you do that?
it's just that easy, man. And
Wait,
I'll
what do you
guess what?
mean?
I'll add damage, and then I'll add an extra bounce to this. Is that bounce? Yeah, that's bounce.
Let's bounce.
So now it should bounce like a lot. Redeal. That
And
one
now
in
I
my
want to
hand.
see like the SMG. Ooh. Oh, that's kind of sick.
And then the normal one doesn't. Oh, the normal one bounces once. Oops, I'm stupid. This should be greater than or equal to bounce count. There we go.
That's so cool. Hello?
Yeah, no, I'm goated. I know.
No, you're like actually goated. Now
let's
we need an
add-
SMG with like 1,000,000 stickers on it.
Oh wait, I can do that thing where I hold down Z to place like a fuck ton of them. So now there should be a
Oh,
fuck ton
dear.
on there, even though you can't see them.
Oh, is that a thing that you can do?
Yeah.
Oh, that's scary. Oh dear. Oh dear.
Yeah, so it'll bounce up to 40 times. You can see. I'll get rid of that message real quick.
See, that's so cool. What if it multiplied the bounces by 2, so every time you stacked it?
Could do that. Um,
Or we could even have 2 different cards, one that multiplies.
guess what?
it
Guess
and
what,
one that
fucker?
adds.
You know how easy it is to do that? Change this to
Yeah.
multiplicative and set this to 2.
Oh.
And then I'm pretty sure that if I were to clear the deck and add an SMG, so it should bounce none. Correct. And then if I were to add,
This game
a
is
singular
actually
bounce
so
sticker.
cool.
it should be 1. Yep.
Yep.
And then if I were to add another,
There's just a hole in the middle of the card.
it should be 4.
Yeah.
Hopefully.
1, 2.
Now it went up
Nice. 1,
1,
2,
2,
3.
3, 4. Yeah.
Nice.
Yep.
Because that would make it so if the more you stack, like the more powerful it gets. So that way you
Yeah,
could get
so
to
I could
really
even
high
do-
numbers like that.
So now I added a bunch of them to it. You just didn't see it because I
Oh, dear.
held down Z.
Yeah.
So now it's just gonna bounce like that.
Now you gotta add the fire rate a bunch and a bunch of charges. It's may break it.
Where's
Attack speed is
Attack
the top
speed.
one.
okay? There's a fuck ton
Oh,
there,
geez.
and
Oh
then
dear.
charges, and then we'll add some multiplicative charges in there as well.
It's
Great.
terrifying. Oh dear.
Oh, I need an infinite mana. Oh, you know what? I can even do
Yeah, you can make it big too.
I can turn down the mana cost.
Oh, you just have 0 mana cost. Oh dear. There's no. How is it running so smooth?
Because it's
Okay.
Godot. Godot runs fine.
No, that's actually insane. Holy bitrate 9. Dante's
I wonder what
9
this looks like on
bitrate.
screen, but
It looks
Yeah.
even on Discord. It looks so bad.
yeah, we're still
There's
in
no
60.
way a
I'll uncap
60.
my oh. I clicked on that as if it worked. That's crazy.
See, look, it's good UI, obviously. Okay, now
Okay,
now
now
play the
we're
level
starting
with
to-
this.
Not like an actual level.
Yeah, let's see it.
Did I kill them? Oh, that's broken. Something's broken.
Did it like kill them before it registered the doors or something?
Maybe? Actually don't know. I don't know what this is.
That,
actually. Are these-
remember, that's from the no, that's from
yeah,
my thing.
but I thought that
I just looked at the screen. What's happening? Yeah, that's a good
Okay.
question.
uh-oh.
Because
I
the
can't
other
select a card.
redeal. Try redealing your hand. Redeal cards. Uh-oh. Oh no,
Uh-oh.
the card. Maybe go
Uh-oh.
back to the other room and respawn the enemies.
Oh shit, you're right. Let me up.
Why does it do
Okay,
that?
thank you.
Something with your
Because
camera.
it's because the speed goes into like very far down, and so it offsets.
Oh yeah. There we go.
I wonder if it was because the guy was killed before the second enemy spawned. Oh, I still can't.
Oh, maybe?
Hmm.
That's interesting. Maybe because you already
Hmm.
started this room.
It might be, yeah.
Just don't die.
Let's go to a different room. zoom.
Yeah.
No.
No, interesting.
Oh shit, I accidentally zoomed in. My fault.
Oops.
Oopsies.
By the way, that is very cool that you can just do that.
I know, dude. I'm so happy with it. And like you saw how little code I had to add to get like this thing.
So
and
wait,
these,
like, can you go through
like,
the full of how you actually implemented on the gun itself, so that way I can see?
Sorry, which part?
On the gun, like all the implementation of getting the sticker and applying the effect.
So it's not on the gun. That's on the projectile.
Or on the projectile, sorry.
So that is on the file called base projectile. So in here, I just added a bounce count and current bounces.
Mm-hmm.
And whenever this goes in, I grab the component or the property off of the card. I would probably change this to get component and then do like an if bounce. And this works off of just like a multiplier system. This is basically the same as the timescale manager, except like boiled down to like its basics.
Yeah, so it's just like numbers. So you can like multiply.
Yeah, it's just like reusable as much as possible.
Perfect. That's like exactly what I was thinking.
Yeah. And then so we have this. So we grab it. If there is a bounce property, we multiply the current bounce count, which is 1 for this by the multiplier. Or I mean, this could even be like this is just equal to the multiplier. Which this is gonna be pissed because this is not an int.
Yeah.
Which I think this would still technically write. So hello brainless.
And would this work with like non-linear projectiles as well?
I don't know. That would depend on the implementation of how things work.
Well, I meant like in the base projectile, what is it changing when it bounces?
So what I'm doing right now in the base projectile, I might actually change a little bit of things, but like because base projectile has like a couple of utility functions that are called by default. So
yeah,
move linear just means move it forward.
Exactly.
And then it has on hit wall. But it's just actually I'd probably change this. I'd probably move some of this into here. I definitely would move this into here, but it's just adding 1 to the bounce whenever it returns true from move and slide because that means it hits something. I would probably actually move most of this code into the on hit wall.
And it's changing the direction. So yeah, what I was thinking is because it has the direction that you could then use to implement other movement. So that's exactly what I was wanted to know is, was it just directly changing the velocity or was it changing the just internal direction that can then be interpreted in whatever way?
Yeah, it's changing that.
Okay.
Yeah.
So say we had a projectile that like went in like a wave pattern or something like that. If that's just based on the direction in the base projectile, then that would still work with the bounces. Assuming the bounce thing is in the on hit wall, which is what you have right now.
Yeah, which I'll be moving this to here. So this will be here instead, and then this will be the wall.
And we just have to figure out how to do that again with the scan weapons.
So that's not going to bounce any. And then if I were to add the bounce sticker, this should bounce once. Up. And then if I were to add another one, hopefully this still is consistent and bounces. Well, hits the wall. Okay, so it would hit the wall 4 times, but it would die on the 4th one. So 1, 2, 3, 4. Yeah. Okay, bouncing off wall's done. Piercing, I still need to add that shader. I actually need to get rid of the shit that's on the screen right now.
Oh yeah, what happened to the card shader for the charges?
I haven't done it.
Okay.
Yeah, I wasn't happy with the way it looks, and so I'm probably just gonna redo it.
Okay, that's okay.
Yeah, because I mean, this conveys the information, but yeah, no, I was like, I don't like what it was.
Okay.
Heavy bullets, Rhino Beetle, larger and higher damage drop after certain distance. Oh lord.
What?
Just thinking about it.
Wouldn't that be? I'm thinking. It wouldn't be that hard, I feel like. So to move them down. Because it's not like you're changing any, you're literally just adding like a downward velocity. Like that's literally the only thing you're doing.
Give me a moment. Let me think about this. Because the way that I want this to work, ideally, is something a little bit more, like, I want this to be generic, and I don't want it to be like, we check for a specific property in here to see if we should enable heavy bullets. I think that it's like, that should be something that is just like, this becomes a heavy bullet, or this has the behavior of a heavy bullet. And that kind of comes to the question of, well, how is that going to work?
I'm not 100% sure what you're saying. But I mean, no matter the behavior of the projectile, it's gonna be the same. It just moves down as it goes. Like, you're just reducing the Y.
Yeah, well, not inherently. If something's a heavy projectile and it hits the wall and it has bounce, it would go back up.
That would still work.
At least a little bit.
If you... So...
It wouldn't.
I'm just trying to think.
Fine.
I'm pretty sure that would just work. I mean, here's my my A-Sprite physics simulation. So we have...
It's also not the physics that's like the issue, but yeah.
Okay, I don't know what you're saying then. Well, if we have a bullet that's going this way, if we add a downward velocity, it's going to go like this.
Yeah.
Let's just say. Then if it hits this, the velocity that's now going this way will be bounced up this way. So now its target velocity will be this. So it's going to start going up, and then the downward velocity is going to make it go down again.
Yeah.
So like
that's how bullets. That's yeah.
So what's the issue? Is what you're saying? Am I misunderstanding what you're saying? The issue is, like with the bouncing.
So So let's say that I wanted to enable heavy bullets. How would I do that code? And the answer will go with the simplest solution. Let's say that we had something like this, but I would see if there's like a heavy property or like, whatever. And so I would just enable, I would see if that's there, then I would go, okay, sure, is heavy or heavy bullets or like something like that. Then I could check that whenever I'm doing like the move linear stuff. I can see, if is heavy bullet, and I could do like the, Y application thing or like, whatever we end up doing. I won't go too much into the actual like code side of that part. The problem is, let's say that we then also wanted to add a different type of modifier that modifies the way the projectile flies that isn't just heavy bullet. Then we have to think, okay, well, is this going to work? Can this work in tandem with heavy bullet? Like if we wanted something to make this like an additional thing, do we want to, like, how much hard coding is there going to be in this file? Like, is it going to be if this heavy bullet and is
what I was thinking
phasing bullet and is this bullet and is that bullet?
I was thinking it would be like kind of like how we do the knockback, where it's just an additional velocity on top of the already existing velocity. So like it doesn't change the existing velocity, just adds additional stuff. So it wouldn't be in move linear, it would just run a separate function outside of that adds an additional downward velocity to the bullets. Unless I'm like misunderstanding something, I'm pretty sure that's all we would need.
Yeah, sorry, I'm trying to think of like, I might need a, honestly, actually.
I mean, even just for testing, maybe just try making the physics for it first, and then we can figure out how we want to apply that dynamically. Like, make the physics that you want it to act like.
I'm also, hold on, why is this being run in?
Or you do you.
Yeah, sorry.
Yeah.
There's a lot of things I'm trying to
That's
work through
okay.
in my brain real quick.
I get it. You know what? Maybe this should be like 2 different colors here. I'm picky. Make the top half like green, red, or what about red and blue? Red and gold? Red and gold is always good, you know? Pink is kind of tough. Hold up. Okay, I think just the orange is good after experimenting too much. But it's a white outline as well. Is that right? Yeah. Yeah, I like that. Looks good.
Damn, well now I'm confused on why this isn't doing what I expected it to. Is it because it's hitting the ground?
Stickers,
No.
or stickers. We want max speed sticker. Wait, no. I tried dragging the sticker image into the property class field. That may be stupid.
Ouch.
Meow.
Happens.
Many such cases.
Many such cases, of course. Of course. I don't. What
What is the
is
issue?
it setting this? I'm assigning the projectile's velocity in ready. It is present for a singular physics process frame and then is no longer present.
Oh.
I'm not sure why. Because it's not moving. Right? Like nothing else. There's only 2 uses of base projectile in the entire project. This one and the other one.
Ooh,
This one and the declaration of the...
Something's weird with the rotation here. When I rotate it 90 degrees, but some of the pixels are like stretched and weird.
Oh,
If
it's
you look at
because
the eyes.
you're... Yeah, it's because of the way that... That's actually something we need to address at some point. It's an issue with
Even like
Godot and the
this,
fact...
it's weird.
Yeah. If you were to make your monitor... Or if you were to make the game full screen, it would fix the issue.
Okay.
Like full screen. I believe at least.
Let's try it out.
Should, hopefully. Oh. Someone put a book in the way.
Oh. Rip.
I don't know who did that. Hi, Callie. Come on.
Is it
Hi.
possible if I put enough of these on here to make it just dump the entire mag in one clip? One click,
Yeah.
not one clip, one click.
Yeah. You can also hold Z to place like a fuck ton of them that you can't see.
Yeah, but I want to make it look nice
Okay. Fair enough.
by lining them all up.
Oh, and the answer is no. There's actually like a speed limit for how fast you can shoot things in the game.
What? Lame.
Actually? I wonder...
We're gonna have a 6-pack of sodies.
Whoa. Yeah, the speed limit is how fast physics can be processed.
That's pretty fast.
Yeah.
Let's see if any more will make a difference. Oop. Don't want that one, but
Let
maybe
me
a
not hide you.
9-pack of sodies.
Oh, Dante's 9-pack.
Oop, one of them is off by 1 pixel. Rip. Whatever will we do?
Like it just
That's a
doesn't
pretty
move.
awful
It gets
noise.
reset to...
Change the bullet sounds to meows. Okay. Oh, I guess I probably didn't need to close the game. Actually, maybe I did. What meows do we have in here? Oh wait, this one's actually pretty good for it. Hold up, this is gonna be great. That sounds so weird. It sounds so weak. Also, the pitch variation is kind of scary sounding. I don't know if I like that. Kind of cursed. I do need to have have at least one pick sticker pack.
Wait, what? Am I like... I found out what's wrong. I know what it is. You have projectile movement attached to you, but you shouldn't. You bastard.
You figure it out.
Yeah, I wasn't supposed to have that script on it. Maybe it was. I actually don't know.
It's so cursed. Kind of fun though. Yeah, we might need a meow gun.
Oh shit.
So why is it running at 5 frames per second? Real question. I don't know why it just runs terribly when I'm streaming.
Your graphics card is being used to share your screen on Discord.
Biddy, do you want to see the meow gun?
Let's see, sure. Something up. Okay, what's the meow gun?
Oh, hold up. I broke the enemies again. Yeah, there seems to be something if you kill them too fast that it does break. Spawn enemies. Hope this fixes it.
It's just an SMG, no?
Yeah, but do you have the audio on?
Oh.
Oh.
Okay, the audio.
Yeah.
Alright.
That's the point.
The hell is this music?
Oh wait, no, where's the room?
This music is the kind of
in it?
music you would hear if you went to McDonald's at like fucking 2 a.m.
Okay. I don't think my frame rate doesn't want me to get this jump.
Just teleport.
There we go.
Oh no, he got it.
I got it.
Oh god. What in the ghoulish fucking sounds is that?
I know, it's so cursed. The pitch variation makes it sound so scary.
Oh my god, it sounds like the meows of the damned.
Might make for a sick gun though. No? Oh, that's the boss. Envy time.
How do I...
It's kind of sick.
Oh god, that sounds... Hi Calico, how you doing? Hi.
I need to record Callie so we can put her in the game.
That's true, she doesn't talk super often though. Or she doesn't talk in... When I'm sitting at my desktop and she's in my lab, she doesn't really talk, so I'd have to like go out of my way to...
Just like duct tape a phone to her that's always recording.
I see.
That would go well, right?
Yeah, that might be the move.
It is soon bedtime, by the way.
Ah. Okay.
For me. Soon. So what are you working on? Are you trying to get the heavy?
Yeah, I mean, I'm doing a few things. Yeah, pretty much. Gravity times delta. Oh, okay. Yeah, no, you're so right. Oh, because gravity can be a vector. So this should add bullet drop to the gun, or to the bullets. Oh god.
I love it. No, that's actually goated.
Small problem is that now the bounces don't work because this is hitting the direction instead of velocity, but this should hit velocity.
Shouldn't the velocity... Wait, okay. I'll let you do your thing. That actually feels so fun though. Oh, that was a weird bounce.
What was it?
It looked... I think it just bounced
Okay.
like right in the corner or something like that, so it didn't look like it bounced. That's pretty sick though.
Dude, you need to get rid of this fucking machine from the hub. I'm
Nope.
so tired of getting errors in my console because I opened the forge.
Too many times. That actually worked surprisingly well.
Yeah. Oh, it hit an enemy. Holy shit, it hit him. I forgot he was down there.
What if you make
Dante's
it
line
like
brain rot
more,
people to slime. Oh shit, dude.
more drop?
Oh, you want more? Okay.
No, more drop. More bullet drop.
Oh.
Like like
More.
heavier bullets. What if you put? If you put more. Oh no, you have the heavy bullets is built in. You don't have it as a sticker yet.
Oh yeah, it's built in because it's not a sticker because I don't 100% know how I want that to work.
I'm still not quite sure
Oh,
what
dude, he's
the
pissed.
issue is with it, but
With what?
having it as a sticker.
Oh, bullet. Oh, because. Okay, so let's walk through this.
So how is it currently implemented? I'm just trying to think through it.
So currently,
Mhm.
I'm just adding this. So let's say that I wanted to put this as part of is heavy bullet. Okay. The problem is that if I wanted to, let's say that we also wanted the ability to make it so that this kind of bullet also has kind of like a wavy pattern as it goes through the air, but also has like the bullet or like something like that. We would have to have like, okay, well also if is wavy bullet.
What I'm
Velocity,
saying is I don't
Blah, blah,
see
blah.
why we can't do like what we did with the knockback where it just adds it like outside of that. Like not just like we do with the knockback where it doesn't matter what the velocity of the object is. It's just adding it in addition. Does that make sense?
Let me think about it for a moment.
Because I can't see why that wouldn't work. If there's a reason that.
So you mean
that it
have
wouldn't.
just a velocity? Like, let's say if we wanted a bullet that goes down, we would just have a velocity stored on it that says additional velocity, and it's just like whatever gravity is.
Well, what
then
I'm
that
saying
just
is we
gets
could
added to the
stack
velocity every frame.
multiple. Is we could stack multiple like additions of velocities. Like I don't.
Yeah, let me think about it for a moment.
So say we have it would be similar to like the properties, how they stack, or possibly like that.
Kind of almost.
Almost.
The problem, because if we wanted something, I'm trying to think of like the different ways that we would modify a bullet's behavior based on like what's attached to it. So if there are certain properties that apply different changes over time, rather than just like the one constant like force of gravity or whatever, how that would fluctuate over time or how that can be written to work over time.
Yeah, but just what I'm thinking is like, especially with gravity, it doesn't matter what else the bullet is doing. You're just adding a downward force. So like it doesn't need to be in there with any other movement stuff. It can just be outside of it saying every frame add this on top of whatever other stuff we're doing, maybe from other stickers.
Yeah, so we're kind of back on the other problem of if we wanted something to change over time, the way that it currently is, it just grabs that on the first frame, and there's no way for a sticker to be told to update every frame.
So wait, what do you mean by change over time? What is?
So let's say that we had a bullet or a modifier. We'll call it like snake bullets. So it's your bullet, and instead of firing like this, it fires and it does like this wave pattern. So how would you write that using your current system?
my
or
current
the current idea
system.
that the current thing that you mentioned of like an additional velocity add on top of it.
I'm trying to think how that would work in a normal situation too, because that's complicated movement.
It's not actually is the fun thing.
Well, like I
it's actually-
don't know how to implement.
So if the velocity is this direction, like if it's
Yes.
just straight to the right,
Yeah.
what we can do is we can write sine using the, like, let's say that's time, and we would just rotate this vector based on sine, like a certain amount of degrees. So over time, it would rotate left a little bit, and so it would end up being, okay, well now it's going up this direction, and then it would keep rotating up as it's traveling, and then it'll start rotating back down
For
as it's traveling.
that, we
Which
could
means that
just
it would,
we would just rotate the direction over time.
yes, okay. And so if we had that tied to a sticker, how would we rotate that over time? How would we tell that how we want to influence it over time?
What do you mean?
Well, because the way stickers are right now is they are like, whenever you add a sticker or whenever it spawns, it references the sticker, but stickers aren't.
I mean,
They
wouldn't
don't
it
update over time.
be in the implementation of like in the projectile?
Which part?
Like I'm not
Sorry.
sure why it would be on the sticker. The like sign.
Well, because we want a sticker that says, "Hey, you're going to be doing this thing. You're going to be doing this sine wave motion."
Oh, so are you saying the property would be stored on the sticker and then like attached to the
Yeah, I'm trying to find some way of
Card.
transferring the information from
I see.
this
So
sticker
you're saying
makes you do wavy to the projectile saying, "Okay, I'm going to be wavy," and I don't want to
Okay,
hard code it
I
in such a
see-
way
I see.
that we
So
have.
you don't want
if-
to have. Okay, so I was thinking we would do something like that, but outside of like move linear, so that way it's just based off of the bullet.
Yeah, so like,
Like
the
that
idea
way,
is like,
if say we did have a like non-linear bullet, it could still snake. Yeah.
yeah. So I was like,
I
I was
see.
like,
I see
I don't
now what
want
you're
to just
saying.
have this like stack of like if check, if
Okay.
check, if check.
Even if
It's
it's
more of, like,
outside
I
of like
wanted
move
sort of
linear
a
by itself
generic-
somewhere. Okay.
Yeah, yeah. I would want some, maybe not generic, but like some similar way. And I think I have a couple of ideas.
Okay, I get what you're
Um,
saying now, because I was just like, why don't we just... I was thinking that you just wanted to have it outside of the move linear, not like have the... Okay,
No, I wanted
I
it to be
understand
like
what you're
so that it would be
saying now.
easier to stack
yeah.
things.
My idea was just have a function outside of move linear that was basically just like, if it is a heavy bullet, then
Yeah.
add this additional velocity on top, and then if it's a snake bullet, also add this velocity on, or rotate the direction. Okay, I get what you're saying. Took a minute, but
Yeah, so
wait, why do I have 60
I
errors?
think
Hold
one
on.
way I could do that.
Oh, I don't know what all these errors are from, but
ooh. Huh? Whatever's.
there's the
Oh,
the
I know where
add
those are from.
condition peel and the root, but there's 60 of them.
I know where those are from. Yeah, I know where they're from.
Oh, what are they from?
You added stickers to the thing. Or I believe from that if you hold Z, but also I don't actually know if it's because of the stickers or if it's because of the fucking demon machine that you made down here, the demon core of a fucking gotcha roll.
Bleh. Sorry.
Wait, hold on. Is it? Well, now I don't know.
Yeah.
Now I have no clue. Yeah, now I have no fucking clue.
Let me see.
'Cause if I spam E, it gives me the error.
Let's do like the exact same thing that I did. Move this over so you can see in real time. So when I did it, I just had a bunch of attack speed stickers on here. And then we went off and shot things. That man.
Yeah, I also have those errors in here, but I believe the errors are definitely caused by the fucking demon spawn that you've got going on.
You sure?
I believe so.
I don't know why. I mean, not showing up here.
Yeah, it's because whenever you spam E, or whenever you open and close the forge menu, it causes an error because of the fucking...
What does that?
Yeah.
Okay, well I don't remember opening and closing the forge 60 times.
It's not 60 times, it's like every element that you remove increases the amount. I don't even know what the fuck you did in here for it to do that. Like, I'll be honest with you, I have no clue.
I see, so it's like... The more you do it, the more it goes up.
Eventually it'll crash because of that.
Yeah, but it doesn't get up to 60. I had 60.
I don't know, man. I don't know, dude.
I don't know. Oh well. It runs until you press E too many times.
Yeah, I don't know how the fuck.
I don't even know what that means.
It's doing something because it's not in the tree.
Huh?
Oh, wait. I have like no clue, man.
Well, I've been on Biddy Vision.
I kind of have a clue. There's a...
It's funny.
Why are you looping over all the children, by the way, to make them not sleeping?
Because if I didn't, when I delete one, they would not fall. Because when they stop moving, they start sleeping, which makes them not move until something else hits them. And since nothing's hitting them, it's just something's disappearing. I have to tell them, you guys have to move now. And then they're like, oh, there's nothing underneath me.
Do this. Make a new function called, like, unfreeze children or some shit.
Called unfreeze because I'm lazy.
Sure. Can you also, like, double enter between the functions? Thank you. And then just copy that entire block 8 and 9 into that function. And then call that deferred.
Okay. Wait, how do
And tab back line 13.
Call deferred or no? Not. Oh, I got it.
Yeah.
Do what? Oh, like that.
Yep. Try running that and see if that does funky shit.
I have 25 errors. Oh, look at that. It works.
Does it spam it?
Oh.
No.
What if we just got rid of this? And we'll just restart it. Okay, well that fixes it.
Cool.
It is something with that.
I don't know, that demon spawn needs a little bit more work on it, to be honest.
Maybe if...
It's the fucking demon core.
Let me see. Do this. Does that fix it? I don't know why that would, but you know, maybe. Well, that seems like it fixed it, maybe. I don't know. I just changed it so that it only sets it to sleeping if, or sets sleeping to false if sleeping is true. I mean, it not giving me any errors, so I guess maybe it doesn't like it if you set sleeping to false if it's already false. Which, like, what? What do you mean?
No, I think...
You sure?
I think there's a separate error. Yeah, because I'm not doing anything with sleeping anymore. If you see, I've just got this code where it just prints out a thing for every child. And if I spam E... Oh no, I guess it's not... What? It was literally just giving me errors. Yeah, not that one though.
Weird.
God. Unless the code just didn't reload, but I thought... What? Weird. Yeah, I don't know. Nothing. Never mind. I have no fucking... Whatever. Yeah, one thing I was thinking about for the sticker, really quickly, was potentially... having some way of, like... What? Like, heavy bullet sticker, maybe? This one would probably be a little bit more, like, less generic, I guess. Extends card sticker. Actually. I might need to think about this one a little bit. Again. Oh, wait. Oh, no. I could grab this, and then I could have a property, which would be the heavy bullet property. But this would not extend base property. I guess it could. Doesn't need to not, I guess. Oh, this feels wrong. Oh, this feels wrong as hell. But, like, it totally could work.
What's the plan? When?
Meow, meow, meow.
Sorry.
Let me think about this for a moment. Because I could do something like this, so that inside of the... Where's the projectile class? Base projectile. I could do something like this. Where is... Whenever we spawn the card instance, we will have a... Bar... Properties is... Card instance .get meta list. Which is a list of strings. Prop name in properties. instance, I could add a prop name. This is going to be a variant. That's fine.
Well, I need to go to bed soon, but what's the plan here? What do you do?
So I think what I can do is I could do something like this. We'll just say for move linear, I'll say for property in movement properties property dot, we'll just say property physics process self and delta. So we are allowing the property to process this. So for example,
ooh,
I don't know how I feel about this.
I like it.
We shall see. It's an interesting idea. I would
the
like
only
to kind
thing
of explore
is we wouldn't be able to change other values. Maybe you'd want to make it a base projectile, so you could change like the direction and stuff as well.
I see what you mean. Yeah,
because without you could only change like the velocity, but for example with like the sign, we would probably want to change the direction. I mean, we could do it with velocity too, but
well, the direction doesn't do anything right now anymore.
I mean, it should.
The direction is just where it's going to be going originally or initially.
Okay. Well, the movement should be based off the direction, in my opinion.
Well, how does that work for a heavy bullet? Because the direction won't change. Because if your direction is set to this and the bullet's here, and the movement is based off of the direction, but then the heavy bullet pulls it downwards, the velocity would eventually come to the point where it's like pointing downwards, but the direction would still be here. So
the direction is no. The direction is just the thinking. The direction is just internally which direction the main velocity of the projectile is going. I'm not sure how well that would work. I'm thinking. It's not like what the actual direction of the velocity is.
Sure.
So the direction would always be, if a projectile is shot straight right, and then it has gravity with the heavy bullets, the direction would always be straight right until it bounces.
With heavy bullets?
Yes.
But that doesn't make sense because I'm sorry, so this is the bullet. It's shooting straight right and it has heavy bullets.
Yes.
How are we telling the bullet to go downward?
We are simply adding a downward velocity over time, in addition to the velocity going to the right.
What does the direction get us that changing the velocity doesn't? What's the purpose of it being a direction?
The main thing I was thinking is the direction lets us implement the actual movement of the projectile however we want. So like if the direction's right, we can move it to the right however we feel like, if we want it to be like wavy or anything like that. Also, if we wanted to have projectiles that like target something, having it always use the direction. That way we could have the direction be towards like an enemy or something like that. And then it tries to move towards that velocity. So the direction is kind of just like a... Maybe I'm going
we might need to talk about it a little bit more. For now, I'm just going to go with this.
That's fine.
I think that this makes more sense as like a...
That's okay. Yeah.
Physical thing. So I think that this would work. We have a heavy
Well,
bullet.
for the heavy
property, and
bullets,
we
yeah, it
need
would always be like that. Yeah.
the movement driver, and then for like, for example, let's say that I had like a snake bullet property. This would extend movement property.
Hee funny stream number. Hi Moaz. I'm going to bed.
Hello,
soon,
Moaz.
So, hello Moaz. Go to bed, Moaz. Me and
Wait,
Moaz going to bed at the
where's
same
the-
time. It's crazy.
Oh, I'm stupid. I didn't put the. This
Oh yeah,
thing
Moaz.
should
Do you want to
be
hear the song that I
there.
made? Hold up. Moaz, there's a song. Where is it?
Damn, bro. Moaz never comes and hangs out in my chat.
Yeah, because
Crazy.
Moaz's
Evil.
favorite, which is not too loud.
The snake bullet, I would mark 0.
Song. I posted in the Discord if you want to listen to it, not through my stream, because I don't know how the volume is. Hopefully that wasn't too loud. Anyways, song. I need some mixing fixes and stuff. Because I like finished it 10 minutes before stream, or like 15 minutes before stream. Was trying to do some mixing and I didn't do a very good job, so there's some stuff that sounds a little weird.
I'm gonna see if this works. If it does, that'd be sick. If it doesn't, I guess we're gonna go next.
Meow, meow,
but-
meow, meow. I'm sorry.
Okay. Yeah, no, it's fine. What the fuck are you? You're not what I thought you would be. New resource sticker. Stat upgrade. Heavy bullet sticker. Sure, 1. You would load in heavy bullet property. What the hell am I doing here? This is not. There we go. So that's that guy, and then we're going to also add snake. No, stat upgrade sticker. Oh, snake bullet sticker. I really hope this works first try, but if it, I don't know. I don't know if I want it to work first try or not, because if it works first try, that's gonna be a little weird. I feel like. Who knows though? I'd be ever so slightly surprised if it worked first try. Okay. So pistol. Hopefully you still work. You do. Okay, nice. Just add snake bullets. I don't know why I started with this one, but oh shit, it does something. Whoa. That was not exactly what I thought it would be doing. Did you see that, JW?
No? Oh. Ooh, okay. Which one is that? Is it the snake bullets?
It's supposed to be.
Are you... I don't know what you did.
Oh shit, that's crazy.
Are you rotating it too much? That's what it looks like.
Oh,
I think it's getting rotated a little bit too much.
Is it being rotated too much? Is that the problem? That might be. Oh, I guess this isn't in
Yeah, that's what I was thinking.
Deg
Is
to
they're like
rad.
a
Like, I don't know, 90 degrees. Well, no, not 90, it's like 10 degrees times this.
Ooh.
Still being rotated too much. Are you sure? Okay, give me a sec. We're gonna try the other card or the other one first, just to make sure heavy bullets works. Get out of here. Go. It doesn't. Heavy bullet. Yeah, you're right, dude. It is a heavy bullet. Why aren't you? Okay, that is just not running. Oh, because I made it extend movement driver and not movement property. Dude, I'm stupid. I'm so dumb. Oopsies. Oh, it crashed. I know why. It's fine. We're chill.
Are we?
Yeah, it's because I changed the class during runtime. So it's no longer extending the same class that it originally was. The class DB got upset. Yeah, okay, so heavy bullets still work. Cool. Go down. Go. Good creature. Thank you. Okay, well now that's up to the implementation of the snake bullet, which is I'm doing something wrong. Very obviously. Oh, I guess I would. Oh, I know what I could do. I know what it is, kind of. High and by because you're going to sleep. High and by because I'm gonna end stream soon anyway.
Yeah, same.
Dot velocity dot rotated. So if I wanted you to be 5 times, well, first off, you should times delta. So this would make it slow, maybe not slowly, this would make it turn to the right. We'll do it with the now 36 because it'll be maybe a little funny.
Left-handed bullets. Oh, nice.
Okay. They aren't rotating? Oh, oops.
Oh. Bro really said, I'm just gonna have a statement here that doesn't do anything. Do you need to make a new one?
Oh, this is 5 over a second. Maybe like 90 degrees over a second. Yeah, there we go. No, they. Fun. So they curve a little bit to the right. That's fine because it doesn't matter what direction they're going. It'll be a little to the right.
We should totally have a sticker that's like right-handed bullets or something. It just makes them curve to the right.
So I can make this to this if current time. So if we cast current time to an int and mod it by 2, this will tell us whether it's an even or an odd number. And so we'll just multiply this by -1. And then I can say times curve direction. Okay, cool. So that does some things. Yeah, they do curve. The projectile is shooting way too fast, so like what if I were to, where are we setting that at? Is that the Meow 36? Does that set its own thing? Are you in charge of how fast your shot goes? No, you are. And you're not going to reload it now. How fast is that? Very slow. Okay, cool. You should be able to see that. So you can see they're kind of wavy now.
Yeah, like that.
Oh, wait. I'm like so stupid. I know how I could do this like so much better. Oh my lord. I could just... projectile.global position plus equals projectile.velocity dot rotated like this amount. So this would be rotated to the right. And then we would do times sine of current time. So this would go between 0 and whatever. I think. Oh, this is actually going to be like times delta. And then current time is delta, yeah. Does that work? Yeah, that does kind of. And then I could probably change the spread to be here, and then I could multiply the amount by like, I don't know, 5, so that it goes faster, so that it warbles back and forth much faster. Yeah. So that works. That one doesn't travel that way, but this one should. It'll travel in a kind of back and forth pattern a little bit. And it should, ideally, work with heavy bullets. And also the ability to bounce. And so these will just like do some weird shit all over the place. Yeah, those bullets, at that point, you are like kind of gambling on what the bullet's going to do.
So you can make it bounce, have heavy bullets, and wavy.
Yeah. At which point it's just like basically chaos.
That's so fun.
It produces such weird looking behavior. Holy.
But
oh my god, it hit the
kinda
fucking
sick.
slime.
Why did they like speed up?
Because the gravity gets applied to them. So whenever they move down, the gravity accelerates them downwards, and then it bounces. But before it has time to slow down because of gravity, it hits a wall, which bounces it backwards.
I see.
And so it starts like getting more gravity. Plus also the... Oh my god! He just got fucking obliterated! That's actually crazy! The random ass projectiles both fucking slammed into him at the same time.
That's insane.
Chaos Bullets goes crazy.
See, honestly, I think that maybe I'm completely wrong, but I feel like the direction thing that I was thinking of would fix the issue of the crazy velocities here, but maybe it wouldn't. It probably wouldn't. I'm probably just hoping.
I mean, I can... Let me turn off... Let me get rid of snake bullets. Or actually, I could probably just, like... They should hopefully slow down. Well, they're working their way down. That one at the bottom is going fucking crazy, though. Yes, you see they're like mostly... Yeah, they're slowing down over time. It's definitely because of snake bullets. Because they're doing like some weird shit where it's moving it up.
See, what I'm thinking is if you rotated the direction, it'd probably be just as weird.
I mean, there's also the we could have it so that whenever it bounces, it just like kills a little bit of the energy from it. I mean, obviously then it like runs out of speed. And then if I turn back on snake bullets, what does that do? I don't know. We'll find out. Oh. Oh, you're having a little party down there. Yeah, whatever you guys are doing is cool, I guess. Yeah, I don't know. It's definitely something we can play around with though, but no, I don't think having just like the direction thing wouldn't particularly, I don't think that it would do what you're hoping for. I mean, maybe it would, but I can't see it being like a super useful thing. I also just I'm having a hard time like trying to visualize why direction would be more useful than just like messing with the velocity.
Yeah, I don't know.
Although I guess heavy bullets could. No. I think that's fine. I think we're good.
Yeah.
I think I am. Oh, I know one thing that's also doing some weird shit, actually. This thing. So rather than doing gravity, I could do like projectile dot velocity. And I'm just gonna rotate this, or I'm gonna linearly interpolate this towards vector 2 dot down. So I think if I were to fire this with heavy bullets, oh, cool. I see. Because no? Oh my god, those are like oh, because this is just a 1. I'm like so dumb. That means that it would do it like instantly. Give me this one. Too heavy. Too heavy bullet. Yeah, I don't know, to be honest. I'll have to play around with that. Hello.
Hello.
We're doing some cool upgrade stuff. Well, coming to the end of that because I'm about to close the stream. Because I think you said you have bedtime.
Yeah, it's bedtime. It's past bedtime.
Yeah, this dude needs to sleep. Okay. And yeah, we can continue working on some of the upgrades later. Oh yeah, and this also doesn't drop after a certain distance, which it should. Oh shit, now that there's a couple other things in my mind, but yeah, we can call that there.
Okay.
Okay, is there anything else you wanted to say on the stream, or
that's about it?
Is that okay? Then we will be back on Thursday at 6:30 p.m. EST.
EST.
Whoa.
All
right, buddy, knock it off. Why I oughta.
All right, buddy. Okay, good night, everybody.
Meow.
Good night, people.